Today is July 15, 2018. So I trying to work on my garage door. Size is 7 feet by 16 feet. I wanna remove my old paint first. Alright. Look at this old paint. All cracked down and all paint comes off. I think someplace my garage door was damaged. Alright, so I wanna repaint all my garage door. So let me try remove first this old thick paint. So let me find out how to finish work quickly. Alright, let's see. I think today is a perfect temperature and the weather. Actually rain this morning and humidity is very high, so I'm gonna use couple tips. Citrus strip. I'm gonna use this paint removal gel. Basically this temperature probably not easy to dry quickly, so I can have more time to penetrate this chemical. And I want to show also one more tip. Use hot, basically heat gun, to remove the old thick paint. Let's see how it works. So instruction set: before use, shake well. Alright, shake well. So before apply this paint remover, I gotta put my masking tape on the edge of my garage door siding, because I don't wanna remove paint off from this alright, siding. So shouldn't touch those paint remover, otherwise those paint maybe comes out too. So I put all around the masking tape for protecting my siding paint, to apply that paint removal gel, citrus strip. Alright, let's see. Now, smell is good. Like gel. Let me use it little by little. Alright. So I'm gonna use a 3-inch brush. So let's apply slowly. I think the instruction said around 30 minutes. 30 minutes. After apply 30 minutes, you waiting time. Alright, and just be watch out to this siding area. Alright. Now more than 1 hour is passed, so let me see how reaction was. Look at this, slipping off. Little more, need to wait. Still eating off, but a thick layer, so still eating off. So bubbling up here. Alright, let's see. I got the more bigger and the sharper scraper. Alright, let's see. Alright, right, should do it like this. much better, much easy working on it. Look at this, more easier. Oh my goodness, much better. You gotta find out better too. Tool is important. So before paint this garage door, I wanna repair this wood cracks. Old garage door, I think. Water went in, and I think this plywood gluish basically separate, all cracked down. I'll repair these old cracks, like separating this wood with resin. Last Bondo, I'm gonna use Bondo fiberglass resin, alright, with hardener. That is hardener. So basically, instruction set 1 ounce resin and 8 drops hardener. Let's see. This is a 10 ounce resin, based on instruction, 1 ounce, 10 drop. So working time is 8 to 15 minutes. So let me try 10 ounce. So now I apply resin and make them dry up. Alright, let's see. Pretty solid now. Need more dry up. Now let's take it off. So I'm gonna put the putty, more wood putty later. Let's see. Now I need just sanding well and the primer and paint. That's it. Almost done. You see all the wood crack. So I wanna fill up with wood filler. So let me fill up the wood filler, plastic wood filler. Alright. So I fill up the wood filler. I just need to wait until dry and sand down. So finally I'm gonna start painting. So I'm gonna, first of all, I'm gonna do primer. I think I'm gonna do 2 times. Alright. So this is the oil base primer. So this is the primer. So you gotta stir as well. Mix for the mix. So I'm gonna put this primer 2 coat. So I saved this plastic can, alright, recycling. So I'm gonna pour this half of this primer, and let me see. Alright, I put half, and make sure clean up to reseal. This is first primer coat. Let me dry up, maybe at least 2 hours, instruction says, and we can double coat. Alright. So now I'm gonna do second coat primer. Now second coat of primer is done. Like you can see difference. So I need to make dry up this primer completely, and I need to painting, actual paint. I wanna do 2 coat more painting. So I wanna do now painting. Maybe I will do 2 coat again. So and then let's finish this garage door. I finished my garage door. Basically remove the old thick paint and repainting and some repairs. So which I used this time, like a material. You see, citrus the first apply, and the scrapped old paint as much as possible, and then actually I use grinder leftover, and like a corner molding place, which difficult place, I use heat gun basically to remove the old paint, and the final like sanding, like fine sanding, and after that to repair all the cracks and the separation of plywood. Basically I use a resin with and the material, some acetone stuff, and after that I applied wood plastic, wood filler, and after that I painted basically oil-based primer, and this one I have to use with thinner. Alright, and other paint outside animal semi-gloss, this paint was you can actually clean with water. This was my material which I used. So if you interested in how to use each material, actually I made another video, a tip, so you can see how reaction like use a stress strip gel, and how to use heat gun stuff, and how to use the resin, apply a resin. So you can see my other video tips. All right, thank you to watch.